Today we are diving into the Vixen A80MF Refractor Refractor Telescope, a classic 80mm achromat combo that's perfect for beginners and casual observers. Packaged with Vixen's sturdy porta-to-alt azimuth mount and tripod, this crisp white scope is built to help you explore the moon, planets, and brighter deep sky objects right out of the box. Key features and specifications. At its heart sits an 80mm diameter achromatic doublet lens, 910mm focal length, f11.4, with multi-coatings to reduce chromatic aberration. You get a 6 by 24mm finder scope, a 90 degrees 31.7mm star diagonal for comfortable viewing, plus two colossal eyepieces, 20mm and 6.3mm, delivering 45 times and 144 times magnification respectively. The Porta-2 mount offers freestop altitude and azimuth controls with slow motion handles atop a locking leg tripod adjustable from 90 cm to 130 cm for steady tracking. Price. The telescope originally carried an MSRP of around $449.99 and still hovers near that for new units, though used offers on international storefronts start at about 48,800 yen, roughly $335. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the A80MF delivers sharp, high-contrast views of lunar craters and planetary details, and the compact optical tube plus included case make transport a breeze. The Porta-2 mount is intuitive for alt azimuth, point and look use. On the downside, its f11.4 focal ratio limits wide field deep sky imaging, and you'll need to source higher power or specialty eyepieces and a motorized mount if you want astrophotography or tracking over long sessions. Customer review summary. Owners praise the optical quality for its class, calling out its minimal color fringing and solid build. Beginners love the all-in-one kit approach, while a few hobbyists note that the basic slow motion control lacks the finesse of dedicated equatorial mounts, but agree it's an excellent grab-and-go scope. Should you buy it or not? If you are launching your stargazing journey and want a reliable, portable refractor with quality optics and an easy-to-use mount, the Vixen A80MF Porta-2 is a stellar choice. However, if you are aiming for advanced astrophotography or ultra-wide deep sky views, you may prefer a faster refractor or an equatorial setup. For visual observers and beginners, though, this scope truly shines.